everyone, happy holidays and welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty. In today's video, we are going to be styling a holiday tablescape right in time for Thanksgiving, and Christmas is around the corner as well. As you all may know, I own a luxury picnic business, so I style tables for a living and I absolutely love doing it, mixing different styles and elements and textiles. It's just very fun to me, so I figured I'd go ahead and create this. It's just gonna be me and Daniel, so I'm gonna style a table for just 2 people, but it's gonna be very upscaled, fancy, and super easy and affordable to do at the same time. We're also gonna be DIYing our own dinner napkins without no sewing required, so let's just get started with the video. Okay, so briefly, I'm going to show you everything I have before we jump in and start styling the tablescape. So the color scheme I'm decided to go with is this sort of plum color, burgundy, along with some emerald green. I just think those colors look absolutely beautiful, especially for the holidays. So we have this table runner I'm going to be using. It's kind of a corduroy texture, and this was purchased from Goodwill for $8, so I'm going to be using that as a table runner, along with this scrap piece of fabric that I have from Joann Fabrics, and we're going to be using some linen napkins from Target, along with some wooden napkin rings from Target, some brass candlestick holders from Target. These candles are actually thrifted and they're like in perfect condition, and they match perfectly with our color scheme. We also have pine cones and some sprigs that I got off of a tree outside. These little dried florals are from Family Dollar and Dollar Tree, and I just really love these little intricate details for the tablescape. Some plain white glasses because I really want the centerpiece to pop, so we're going to use some plain white plates, some champagne gold flatware from Target, and our glasses are from Dollar Tree, as well as our fluted tea light holders and this silver tray. I like to mix some brass and tones of such with gold, silver, brass for that eclectic look. I really think that is going to make this look very elegant. So now let's get started with styling the table. First, I'm going to start by arranging the fresh sprigs and dried florals along the table runner. Adding these small details will surely impact the overall look of your tablescape. Now I'm going to add in some pine cones for a more organic touch. I love the crystal-like detail of these tea light votives, and they pair very well with the gold brass candlestick holders. For my DIY dinner napkins, I'm going to first start by ironing out the wrinkles and trim and cut 16 by 16 inch squares. Now I'm going to fray the edges by gently pulling on the fabric strands around the perimeter. And it really is that easy. I'm going to give this a simple fold and finish setting the table. And I'm going to show you 2 different napkin settings as well. Here is style number 1. And for style number 2, I'm going to be using these white linen napkins and this wooden napkin ring for a more simplistic look. Comment below which style you like best. And these are totally optional to use, but I'll be using these silver trays to serve the food. And to finish up on this look, I'm going to style around the tablescape by adding some faux eucalyptus garlands to this planter and some fresh pine cones. And in the planter, I'm actually going to be displaying my recently wrapped Christmas gifts that I did in my previous video. I just think it adds the perfect little Christmas and Thanksgiving touch for the holidays. And in the other corner, I'm just going to add some extra greenery by placing some of these faux branches. But if you can find some real branches outside, that would be best. I'm also going to add in these antique wooden folding chairs to add some vintage feel. And that completes our holiday tablescape. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like and comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Also, sound off in the comments on what you'd like to see next as far as YouTube videos. I really would like to hear you guys' thoughts and suggestions on what you want to see. And yeah, until next time, bye!